Welcome back, future orthodontists. Today we discuss temporary anchorage devices, or TADs, a revolutionary tool for skeletal anchorage. TADs are mini implants or screws temporarily placed in bone to provide absolute anchorage during orthodontic tooth movement. They eliminate the need for patient compliance like headgear. Remember the mnemonic MAB, Mini-implant anchoring bone. Types of TADs include self-drilling versus self-tapping screws, palatal versus buccal placement, and cortical versus trabecular bone anchorage. Mnemonic SPC. Screws, placement, cortical/trabecular. Selection depends on site, bone quality, and force requirements. TADs are used for maximum anchorage cases, molar distalization, intrusion of anterior or posterior teeth, space closure, and correction of open bite. Mnemonic MMISO, maximum, molar, intrusion, space closure, open bite. Advantages of TADs include absolute anchorage, minimal patient compliance needed, can be placed in multiple sites, and are temporary and easily removed. Mnemonic AMMT, absolute, minimal, multiple, temporary. Clinical tips include choosing proper site and angulation, maintaining oral hygiene, monitoring for inflammation, and removing after treatment. Mnemonic SOMR, site, oral hygiene, monitor, remove. To summarize, TAD's essentials are definition, MAB, mini-implant anchoring bone, types, SPC, screws, placement, cortical/trabecular, indications, MMISO, maximum anchorage, molar distalization, intrusion, space closure, open bite, advantages, AMMT, absolute, minimal, multiple, temporary, clinical tips, SOMR, site, oral hygiene, monitor, remove. Quiz time. Question 1. What does MAB stand for? Question 2. Types of TADs mnemonic. Question 3. Indications mnemonic. Question 4. Advantages mnemonic. Excellent! You now understand temporary anchorage devices, types, indications, advantages, and clinical tips. Next video, removable appliances.